Hi everyone, welcome into my another video on esoteric HiFi. This will be the second video on noise isolators, noise dampers, vibration isolators, vibration dampers, or just feet, speaker or amplifier feet, which sounds like I would have some kind of fetish with feet. So this time I wanted to talk about the noise isolators that are based on the ceramic or steel balls. This is the second type of isolators that maybe not I would recommend, but I found some information on the web that from all different types and different ideas how to isolate the equipment, the speakers, the digital channel converters and amplifiers from vibration, which ideas work the best. And one of these were ceramic or steel balls, and the second one were cones that I reviewed in the previous video. So, how does it actually work? This noise isolator, this vibration isolator or speaker feed has one nice feed that you can actually change the height of the feed. It works like that you are able to rotate the internal part, yes, this one here, and you can open it or you can move it to the top, and as you can see, the top part is moving up or down, so you're able to precisely set the height, but you cannot screw it all the way to the top, because then you lock the balls like I did right now. Yes, you can see it's like solid, and this way it will actually transfer the vibration. So let's unlock it now. Interesting. I have to use the screwdriver here. I broke it. Okay, so the idea is that the lower part is being screwed to the outside part, but the shell, the outside part, as you can see, does not touch the small top that is used to put your equipment on. So, okay, it looks like that. As you can see, it moves, and the idea is that it will not transfer the vibration from the bottom to the top, and it will not transfer these vibrations through the side and casing neither, because the top part is not touching in any point the lower part or the top part. It all rests on the ceramic balls. There are two types, the ceramic ones and the steel ones. The steel ones are cheaper, the ceramic ones are more expensive. The whole set of ceramic type will set you back something like $25 up to $30, but you can get them cheaper on eBay and AliExpress doing some different types of sales. Do they work? Yes, they do, but in a very, very small way. As the coned ones, they are giving some additional clarity in the top end, the treble region, but the changes are really, really minimal. They are there, but you have to really look for them to hear the change. So all in all, I'd rather recommend you to move this money to some other purpose, because you'll have greater effect by changing the cables, changing the power cable, the speaker cable, the interconnect cable. But on the other hand, if you have some money to burn, if that price is not very big for you, it's not very expensive, you can buy them, because it will push your system just a tiny bit forward. So, about the price again, as I said in my earlier video of the cone type ones, there are different companies that are selling this isolation pads for some insane money. And this is something that I would call a snake oil, because the effect is minimum and the money you spend is really big. Like for example, isoacoustic ones, yeah, they would pay for something like $200 or maybe more for a set of these. Compared to $50 for this, it's a big price difference. And the physics is the same for all of these devices, meaning that if some other company does ceramic balls that are isolating your equipment, it will work as well, even without a fancy name printed on the outside. This one has a name printed on the outside, but I highly doubt that Prefer is a fancy name, although I've seen that Prefer is a Chinese brand that's making different type of audiophile HiFi accessories. So maybe in future it will mean something. Okay, I've covered the price, I've covered the sound difference it actually makes. One thing I haven't covered is build quality. The build quality, it's made from solid aluminum. The paint coating is very good. So the quality, the machined aluminum quality here is great. I highly doubt that the branded expensive ones will be better in this regard. So that's it. I bought them. I've bought I think like 4 or 5 sets of them because I had money to burn once, and now I don't have this money obviously, and I wanted to make a little bit of room underneath some of my equipment because of ventilation reasons. I wanted to give some breathing room to my amplifiers and Gustav X26 Pro digital to analog converter, as it has Class A output, discrete Class A output, and it really gets warm. It's taking like 70 watts of power. Okay, that's it. If you have any questions, just ask them in the comments section. I think I will link to the shop that I bought them from. Sorry, there was a siren outside. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments. I'll try to answer the best way I can. As you know, I'm trying to answer all of your questions, guys. And that's it. Expect new videos on new cables, new fake cables. Expect some new videos on the subject that I haven't touched. Yeah, spoiler alert. I got the tube amplifier, I got cane tube amplifier, and I have some tubes to review and compare. So my channel will be also about the tube equipment. Okay, let's finish with these inside. Enjoy the rest of the day and see you next time.